Hi guys, what's up, wagwan? Guys, I'm in the back. Can you hear the birds? It's so peaceful and quiet. You can hear the cars on the road. It's so cool and refreshing. I hope you can see there. Can you see me better now, guys? Yes. The bird chirping. It's so beautiful. So guys, I'm just doing a day vlog. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just here saying hi guys, what's up, wagwan? So I'm sitting out back now. It's super nice. It's cool, but it's not hot, or it's not too cold. Now guys, what I want to do, I've been trying to eat healthy recently because I'm trying to watch my cholesterol level, because you know, cholesterol is not good when it's too high. So it's a little bit high, so I've been trying to eat lots of fruits and vegetables, you know. So I have lost so many pounds, so I want to go and weigh in for you. All right guys, at start my highest was at 226 pounds, so I'm gonna do my weighing now and you're gonna see. I'm super proud of myself. This is the scale, and these are my little with our dry foot or feet. I'm gonna hop on for you guys. 210.6. We're gonna do it again. To 10.6. All right, so I'm doing good. So that's 16 pounds or 15 point something pounds I lost so far, guys. That's amazing. This is my weight so far. This is how I'm looking. My tummy gone, only leave a little bit. And this is me, guys. So far, it's my skirt. So this is me. This is how I'm looking. We're not tucking no belly. Now guys, we're gonna eat some fruits. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be eating. There, can you see it? So guys, this is what I'll be having. Some strawberries, one orange. I'm gonna drink some of this water, and then I'm gonna drink all my coconut water. So that's what I'm gonna be having for my lunch. You want one strawberry? My girlfriend Shelly said she's gonna come for some of the fresh strawberry. Can you hear the birds? So nice and peaceful. This is how I love it. I'm gonna eat some. Let's bless this lunch. Lord, thank you for life. Thank you for what I'm about to eat. Continue to bless me and my family and my friends. Heal us and forgive us all our sins. In your name I pray. Amen. Bite for you. It's cool, but it's so good. It's so sweet. It's strawberry time now, I think. These are fresh and nice. Can you see the leaves? You know when they're so fresh. This is just a small coconut water. Jamaican people say only coconut water reach your heart, so I hope this reach mine. But they put too much sugar in there. Too sweet for coconut water. Alright, let me eat one more strawberry for you guys. They're so good. You see how fresh they are? They're so good. So guys, can you see my weight? 16 pounds down, or 15 plus pounds down. I feel so good. I think this orange is sweet because I was tasting it. Oh wow, so sweet. I think that's good, guys. That's a lot. My mom said when I'm eating the orange, I must eat all these parts. It's healthy. So guys, it's basically brunch and supper time now, and I'm eating some fish curry. My girlfriend gave me, what do you call it, Shelly?
Gilbaka fish.
Gilbaka fish, Guyanese Gilbaka fish. That's what they call it?
Yeah, $20 for a...
And this one, guys, can you see it?
The most expensive fish in Guyana.
This most, you have lots of flesh.
You tell them my voice is not good. Fresh Gilbaka fish from Guyana.
Fresh Gilbaka fish from Guyana. How much a pound for this fish?
$7.99.
$7.99. So she gave me some fish curry with okra in it. Where my okra actually?
Mango.
Mango in there too?
Good masala.
Oh. What's this?
Mango.
It's mango? Green mango? So I'm gonna taste this for you guys.
Green mango.
Oh, it's nice. I never eat green mango in the food.
In the fish curry, you gotta taste it. Cut out the rankness. Sweet.
Oh. Oh, there's my okra.
Tomato.
Okra put back slime in your body. It's so good. Let me taste the fish for you guys.
You gotta show them how to taste the fish.
Can you see the fish? It's soft, Shelly.
Yeah, it's expensive fish, man. Look, go
And this is my curry rice, my veggie rice. I just put a little on the side. Oh, Shelly, it's so good. Guys, she never give me any. She cook it all and keep it. A little bit she put in her freezer. She could take out, give me just now, guys.
Duck curry. Can I have duck? Fresh Guyanese duck.
Duck too?
Nah, duck here from the patty, you know.
The one pan fire duck?
I don't know if it's duck. It's duck. It smells like duck. It's good duck, man.
I don't know duck. I never eat duck meat.
It's sweet.
Guys, she giving me duck meat. I never eat duck meat.
Fresh duck curry.
I'll try it. Is the one you give me to taste other day or that a goat? That's goat
That's
curry.
goat, man. I cook all the meats, them. I buy my kind meat. Don't video me, you know, good.
No, I'm not videoing you. I'm videoing myself. I like it.
My friend, a little piece of a $30, watch.
This for tomato?
Tomato, good masala. I got a lot of cook fish curry to you now.
Jamaican people don't put tomato in a curry.
No?
They see that gilly flavor.
No, man. So you have a cake to bake tomorrow, have a turkey to bake tomorrow. And when you put it on Facebook, your friend gonna see.
Yeah.
What
holiday is this tomorrow, Shelly?
Victoria.
Oh, Victoria holiday.
Your friend gonna see. Oh, she cooked
It's
turkey.
Victoria holiday, guys. Tomorrow.
Oh, she cooked turkey.
Alright, guys. I never tried this before. It's the first time I'm gonna try it. What do you call it, Shelly?
Guyanese style duck.
Guyanese style
Duck curry.
Alright, never before. So guys, let's see. I have piece of Irish potato. I'm gonna try it. I never tried this duck curry. You wanna eat like beef? No?
No, duck. It tastes like beef.
I know it tastes like beef.
No, don't put false allegation. I don't eat beef, this duck.
I know.
I fresh duck my ex buy from the farm for me.
Oh. I like it. I never tried it before though, Shelly.
No, I never get it.
I'm gonna
Can you say you never eat these things?
I never.
I have one my ex. I bought 3. You have to bring it when I cook it again.
But it tastes like beef to me.
Yeah, the meat is good. But you can't eat too much, guys. Tell them. You gotta watch your health. You gotta go on diet, strictly diet.
I'm only tasting it.
Oh,
now.
my phone. Who called? Somebody called?
I just taste it, guys. It tastes like beef. I never tried duck before. So, guys, I'm super full. Shelly gave me the Gilbaka fish curry, and that was my favorite. It was super good. The fish was fleshy and soft and nice. But the duck, I haven't tried it before, but it was okay. I just taste a little bit. But I like the fish more. So good. I had all of it. Now I'm full now, Shelly. I can't eat nothing more. I just gonna make something for Sonny to eat.
Macaroni?
It's a beautiful day out back, and I'm gonna do some hot dog for the kids. I just sliced them and I'm gonna put them on the grill. I'm gonna do about 4. They're looking good. Shelly, come pour on the sauce on it now.
You gotta get a brush and do it you.
Go get the brush for me, please. Please tell them here to give you. Please go now in the drawer.
I'm here. You want the brush?
Some barbecue sauce, this one, and I'm just gonna brush some on it.
Tell her you can't eat that though. You gotta get Winston's one to eat.
What a girl out there, man. No understand, Shelly. No comprehend. I only speak English. What language you speaking there? What language, Shelly? Huh?
Wait a minute, old guys. This is not your kind of type of things.
Hey guys, my girlfriend Shelly, she like these big hot dogs. You see how big and long it is? Yeah, that's how she like it. Big and long. Okay guys, I'm gonna let them I'll come back. I'm gonna turn them over now. Alright.
Here, I'm use the word steam. You've been here the word a long time.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Alright guys.
After, what kind of friend is you? 2 plants, yeah, how give me?
And guys, I'm gonna put a little bit more on this side.
Back for your behavior.
It's okay, I don't want back. You know I don't want that.
No, for your behavior. Your behavior wasn't good.
Shelly, oh, these look good now. They're almost done. Another minute and they're done. Alright guys, they're all done. We're just gonna take these out. Ooh, yes. Look at that, guys. Look at the goodness. Look at that. All done. There you have it. And guys, this is the plating. This is what they're gonna have. Yes, my daughter and my son. Ooh, so good. All right guys, be gone. I'm tired.